Okay, so it's all coming thick and fast now. Exciting stuff because we have the engine. So John Tuvey and the boys build this engine. Every year we rebuild it, and actually the last 12 months we've been tweaking it. Well, we've been working on a plan actually, we haven't been tweaking it. We've been working on a plan of where we want the power, how much power we want, where we want the torque, how much torque we want, and where we want it delivered through the rev range. So this, we feel, is the ultimate national hot rod engine. On the dyno, it's coming up with all the right figures, and hopefully that'll prove to be the same when I actually drive it and we've got it right. If not, we'll have to put it back to how it was, but quite excited for this one. They're not the easiest of engines to get right, because we have to use carburetors, a standard ECU that just controls the maximum rev limit really, which is 8,000 revs. And so unlike electronic fuel injection, where you've got a lot more choice of with the computer to adapt the power and the torque delivery, with using carburetors like these, they sound much better and they look rather nice. But it's difficult to get difficult to judge the power delivery properly. So we're nearly there now. This is going to go in over the weekend. I'm hoping my dad's coming to babysit. Well, my mum and dad are coming to babysit, so hopefully mum will look after the kid, dad will install the engine. That's the plan. Hope you have a good weekend.